Here's how to merge cells in Word. Select the cells you want to merge. If you want to select the entire table, hover over the table and select the Table Selection icon. To select a column, click the top of the first cell. To select a row, click the left side of the first cell. Select the cells you want to merge. Click Layout. This is on the far right of the toolbar next to Table Design. Click Merge Cells. You can find this in the Merge section. The selected cells will be combined. If you want to split the cells, select the cells, and then click Split Cells. You can also use a keyboard shortcut. Once the cells are selected, press Alt+A and then Alt+M on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.